Hello, my name is Hugo and welcome to Hugo's Desk. Today I really have a really short video. I haven't even done a teleprompter, it's not even scripted. Just wanted to announce that I finally have made available the footage that you saw last week on the workshop we did. So this is basically some assets that I'm going to make available to everyone so that they can use on their showreels or on their projects. As you saw last week, we did this CG shot. The CG was done by CG Rockstar, which you can visit on this link here. Of course, you can also watch the workshop, which I know it's 3 hours long, but it does have chapters you can kind of go through from topic to topic if you want on YouTube as well. The whole point of this entire exercise was to create a high-quality asset, and I really would like to thank the full support that I got from Action VFX, from Foundry, and from Fox Render Farm for all of their support that we could actually make this CG scene. This actually happened because one of the biggest questions I get from my students and from my community is where to get high-quality assets that they can use on their showreel for free. And that's why we did that. I joined forces with Resale from CG Rockstar, and we created a shot to try to mimic production as much as we could. This shot has pretty much everything you would find on a regular visual effects pipeline these days. It's completely rendered in ACES color management. It's also using deep compositing, which I know there's not a lot of things out there with deep compositing. It also has every single AOV that you can think of. You can either comp this with regular AOVs, or you can even comp it with raw AOVs. We've made it available for you to choose which ones you want to use. You also have all the utility passes you can think of, from normals to position, so you can experiment with that. It also includes a fog pass as well. It includes also all the geometry you need. It has some proxy geometry that Resale made. It has a camera as well. And of course, it has also some locators for the lights for the cars. And that's pretty much it. It's basically for you to use as you like. That was the whole point of this entire thing. You can use it on your showreel. You can use it to research. Imagine if you're developing a gizmo, or you're developing like some kind of thing, or even if you want to test stress your computer, because this is a really heavy scene. It's like 55 gigs. You can also use it on other tutorials if you have a training website or if you work for a school. Feel free to use this footage on your school or on your training website. The only thing I would ask, and I really would love for you to do this, is if you use this footage, please make sure you credit both me, Hugo's Desk, and also Resale from CG Rockstar. That's the only thing we ask. It is free for you to use as you would like. The only thing you can't do with this footage is to resell it. You're not allowed to sell it again or to basically put it on a marketplace because obviously this was a free piece of footage. And this is basically an initiative that I'm trying to develop, trying to do more and more footage available for the community. And so this is just the first shot that we have planned many of the shots. We already have an up-and-coming sci-fi shot that we're thinking about as well. We also have a creepy horror shot as well to think about. So the whole objective of this is to try to have, in the end of this, maybe 3, 4, or 5 visual effect shots that people can use for their showreels or for research. And that's pretty much it. The link is below. If you have any questions with the link, just let me know. If you have any problems downloading it, it includes everything you need, including it includes 3 samples from the crowd stock from Action VFX. Obviously, I can't provide you all the stock footage that Action VFX made available for this workshop, but at least you have 3 versions, 3 clips in 720p that you can use for your own training purpose. But I would really recommend you to either buy some more from Action VFX, or you can, of course, film your own. And I really can't wait to see what you come up with the shot. I can't wait to see composites using this shot. Myself, I'm also still comping the shot. I haven't finished it yet because I'm doing it on my spare time. And make sure to log in to Twitch. I am going to be streaming a couple of more sessions where I advance the shot a bit more. I am going to do a full tutorial of this shot on my online course. So if you're interested on that, just go to my Patreon. I have access. You will have access to my online course, my nuke course. And of course, if you like this initiative and if you you want to show some support, make sure to either become a member on my YouTube channel or become a Patreon. It's really cheap and it really supports, and every single pound goes to the support of the channel so that we can continue to do things like this. And if you don't want to support, that's okay too. The footage is free and you can use it for your personal showreel, of course. And if you can't afford to support it, at least consider subscribing to this channel and subscribing to CG Rockstar channel, because it really helps us and it's completely free. That's it really for today. I just wanted to mention that this footage is now available, and if you have any comments, just please give me some comments below, and I hope to see you very soon on either Twitch streams or on YouTube. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye.